This is number 17 on page 53, and in this problem we're investing some money and earning interest on the money. And the money is divided into two parts. We take $1,200 and invest it at some interest rate, and then we take $2,200, a bigger amount, and we invest that at a rate that's actually 3% higher than the rate on the $1,200 investment. Altogether, from these two investments, we earn $253. We're also told there's a difference of $121 on the earnings. So actually, we can do this with one equation. We've got kind of too much information here. We don't really need to know about the difference. We can write an equation about how much was earned. We can take the sum of these two investments, the amount invested times the interest rate, and that should equal the $253. So if I let the interest rate on this one just be R, if I let R be that interest rate, then the rate that's 3% higher than that will be R plus 3/100 or 3%. So I can write my equation as the amount I earn on $1,200 times R%, some interest rate, plus the $2,200 invested, where I'm earning R plus 3%, is a total of $253. So, simplifying this, so 3% of 2,200, that's 66. So now 1,200R and 2,200R is 3,400R, and if I subtract 66 from both sides, I get 187. So when I divide through to solve for R, both sides by the 3,400, I get R is equal to 55 thousandths, which is 5.5%, 5.5%. Okay, so that's the rate that I earned on the $1,200, and on the $2,200 investment, it was 3% higher, so it's plus 3%, which is 8.5%. Okay, because this is... Okay, so the answer to the question is $1,200 was invested at 5.5%, and the $2,200 was invested at 8.5%. And so you should be able to check this by taking 1,200 and multiplying it by 0.055 and adding that with the product of 2,200 and 0.085 and add those up to get the $253 of earnings. And then also 2,200 times 8.5% should be, as was given in the problem, $121 more than 1,200 at 5.5%. So that's it on number 17.